Those are the sure to use USB converters. These are the where you can see the problem. Right there, the jack, the inner contact has come out, so something is not working out well inside this power supply. Look, the pins out. Out. So let's see what's inside them. It should be for a project I'm working on in my own time, not for YouTube. I don't think it will ever be published on YouTube, but I will certainly make a video on these. They are load cells, and I prefer a connector to connect the USB charge controller to the ESP. So let's get started then. So in order to make the ESP8266 battery powered, you'll need a couple of things. I'm going to use a Samsung 18650. I'm going to use a Samsung 18650 cell. That's really awesome. So let's move it up by 10 millimeters. By one first. And then move the X and Y axis. Damn! This is really quiet. This is unbelievable. Hey guys, this is Tim, and I hope you liked the video. This was a thank you to an amazing last year. This is video number 52. And I hope there are still lots more to come, but I can only do that with the help of you. So if you got any ideas for projects, please submit them in the comments down below, or if you've got anything that you'd like to see on the channel, you could also submit them. I'm planning to do some electronics repair videos, some old electronic repair videos, so I'm hoping that they will show up on the channel very soon. And yes, I'm still continuing with the load cell video, and new load cells are underway, and I expect them to arrive in 1 or 2 weeks. So until then, I hope to see you around on my channel, and to see a comment here and there appear. So thanks for watching. Also thanks for watching all of my videos in the last year, and especially thanks to all the people who supported me in personal life and by sending their tone, for example, to make some videos happen. So a big thanks to them, and hope to see you around in the next one. Bye! Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. Make sure to leave a comment down below. You can also share this video with your friends if you think they will like it too. See you next time.